This FTNESGYM Nonstick Skillet pink flower is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a lovely pink flower design. This pan is not just pretty. It also offers a fantastic non-stick surface. Cooking eggs or delicate fish becomes a breeze. Food slides off easily, and cleanup is simple. You will spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. The 10-inch size is perfect for everyday cooking tasks. The FTNESGYM Nonstick Skillet pink flower comes with a helpful lid. The lid traps heat and moisture. This helps your food cook evenly and stay warm. A silicone spatula is also included. This spatula is gentle on the nonstick coating. It helps prevent scratches, which extends the life of the pan. The pan's nonstick coating offers good resistance. You can cook with less oil, which is a healthier choice. The pan provides decent heat conduction for even cooking. Overall, the FTNESGYM Nonstick Skillet pink flower is a reliable pan. It combines style and functionality. It makes cooking easier and cleanup faster. While it may not have industrial-grade components, it's suitable for home use. There is no explicit long-term guarantee mentioned. However, proper care will ensure its longevity. This pan offers good value for its price. It's a charming and practical tool for your daily cooking adventures. Pros: non-stick coating, easy to clean, includes lid, comes with spatula, good for eggs, good for steak, good for meat, pink flower design 10-inch size, for kitchen cooking. Cons: non-stick may degrade, coating might scratch, hand wash recommended, low heat advised. Possible uneven heating, durability is unknown, may be lightweight, thin, quality could be low. Not metal utensil safe, uncertain coating material. Features: non-stick frying pan, pink flower 10-inch, with lid, pots and pans, non-stick coating. Kitchen cooking pan, silicone spatula, fried meat. This is a 10-inch pink flower design frying pan. It has a non-stick coating, which means food won't easily stick to it. The pan comes with a lid and a silicone spatula, a tool for flipping and stirring food. It can be used to cook things like fried meat, steak, and eggs. This pan is part of a set of pots and pans designed for easy cooking in the kitchen. This 10-inch frying pan from FTNESGYM has a pink flower design and a non-stick coating, making it easy to cook eggs, steak, and meat, and simple to clean. It comes with a lid and a silicone spatula to help with your cooking. However, the non-stick coating might wear out or get scratched, so it's best to hand wash it, use low heat, and avoid metal utensils. Some people think it might heat unevenly and that it could be lightweight and not very durable, and the material of the coating isn't clear.